Hi folks, it's been 3 weeks ago since we had the terrible mould problem inside this Vauxhall Signum. Let's see what's happened in the last 3 weeks since I've been away. I've been on holiday. Right, so I'm back from holiday now. I've been away and as you remember, we cleaned this out with white vinegar and it left a terrible smell in there, and I also had a dehumidifier put in there. I'll leave a link to the videos on the end screen so you can see the whole playlist of the actual saga I've had with this interior being mouldy. And the dehumidifier done a great job because the weather still is very, very damp here in the UK. And as you can see from the inside glass there is no internal water in the car anymore, like on the windscreen. It used to fog up in this sort of weather inside, and there's wringing wet on the windscreen, so there was obviously moisture in there. So we got rid of that now. But what I want to do now is to clean the vinegar smell away from the car. I'm going to open the car now and just have a look inside because I've not actually been in the car. So let's just click on the car, get it open, and let's have a little look and let me smell for the first time in here. Yeah, the vinegar smell is not very strong. It's really faded a lot, but what I've actually got is a air freshener that you put in. It's called a bomb. Let me show you it. Yeah, forgive the marks on the floor there. That's the my son Jimmy, when he was using my car, he put paint on it because he's a car sprayer, and I've got to get some mats and clean that as a separate item though. Don't worry about that. So I've gone out and bought this product. I think this was about £8 a can. I've got 2 cans of this, and it's called a Power Out Odor X. Let me show you. Again, this is something which I've personally bought. I've never used it before. I've done a little bit of research, and this appears to be the sort of thing that I need to clean the odour from the car. And there's something I have to do first of all to prepare, and that is initially start the car up, put it on recirculation, turn the fan on full so that the air just circulates within the car. You then take the lid off of this, you put it somewhere in the car. I'm going to press that lever down. It sets off like a bomb in the car. In other words, it disperses the whole contents of this can inside the car with the door shut on recirculation. You leave it in there for 15 minutes and it's supposed to get in all the areas of the car. So let's get this going. We'll put the car on recirc, start the car, just leave it running, ticking over, and then we'll squirt this in. So let's do that now. Right, so coming round to the driver's side. Again, as I say, the car's been standing for nearly 3 weeks now. I'm just going to put the car in the ignition, turn the lights on. Right, okay, so ignition's on, as you can see there. I'm going to start the car, not been started for 3 weeks. Started up very well, I'm glad to see that. So I'm going to leave the car ticking over. And I'm going to come down to the controls for the air. It doesn't matter whether it's hot or cold, I don't think. I'm going to leave it in the middle, I think. And I'm going to start the fan off on fast and then put it on recirculation. As you can see there, that's really blowing out strong now. So I think I'm going to place the can in the middle of the car, and I'm going to press this. I'll give it a good shake first of all. I'm going to activate this here, and by doing that you just press this lever down, it locks into place, and then we'll start dispersing within the car, and then I've got to shut the car. So let me face it away from myself first of all. There we go. Right, shut the door, and as you can see there, I'm going to leave that to disperse the whole can. It's on recirculation now, and I'm going to let that do its thing, as you can see there. I don't know how long that's going to take to go. I'm looking at my watch at the moment. I'm going to let that go probably until 1:45, I would imagine, so that could be a good 15 minutes. I can't see that taking 5 minutes to disperse. And there you go. So I'm going to let that carry on, and we'll come back to it in a second. Right, okay, the whole can's emptied probably in about 1.5 minutes. Right, okay then, it's been 15 minutes now. Let's turn the car off, get inside and see what it smells like. Okie dokie. Right, turn the car off first. Well, I must say, sticking my head around the car, it smells like a new car. It's amazing. I don't know how long this is going to last, mind you, but all I can say is that it appears to have done the job. That totally smell of vinegar has actually totally disappeared, and that is, as I say, amazing. Although it's been nearly 3 weeks, as I say, since I've had the vinegar in the car, and the car's not been opened at all, and all I can say now is it seems to have gone. Well, there you go. That's my experience with this. Don't forget, I'm not affiliated with this product at all. I've just gone online and I've seen things about these air freshener bombs or whatever. This is actually what it is, as I've said to you. I'm very pleased with the results so far. The smell of vinegar has totally disappeared now, and as you can remember, this car stank of neat vinegar. That's what I cleaned it with to get rid of the mold. The dehumidifier, as you'll probably see in the previous videos, has removed all the moisture out of the car, so that was definitely worthwhile doing that. You can see that in the previous videos. I'll leave them at the end of this video in the credit section at the end screen, so you can see that. Don't forget, if you do enjoy my channel, do check out my other videos, and also click on the old subscribe button and hit that little notification bell and switch all notifications to all, and that way you'll get notified every time we upload a video. Anyway, thanks very much. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.